I think this I mentioned several times before, but it's worth repeating that here. Iqbal's claim that movement or motion can be real only if space is real and independent. Nature itself is objective. Now, I have several times mentioned the ambiguity here because real can be contrasted with ideal. Real can be contrasted with illusion. And ideality and illusions are not the same thing. That's one thing. And space can be real again, whether it can be ideal or illusion. And similarly, independent can be independent in itself and independent of the object. So space can be independent in itself but not be independent of the object which surrounds it. Because if space is an emptiness between the objects, if objects are not there, probably not correct to say that it is emptiness or emptiness between the objects or among objects. Also, objectivity of nature. What does it mean? Is ideal, if nature is ideal, is that because objectivity can be contrasted with subjectivity as well as ideality. So these are all the questions, and it's not clear whether all these things are essential for the objective or real nature of motion. Okay, now here it starts.